The complexity and scale, that continues to be a challenge because businesses are continuing to concentrate. Now imagine all those different ways of serving customers. The customers are coming back with questions through all these new channels, and at the receiving end, you have agents or automated self-service. So complexity and scale are huge challenges in businesses today. And the way to solve it is to go back to the notion of having an enterprise brain. A brain that has the know-how in a centralized model. It still needs to be personalized. It needs to be learning so that it gets better over time. And it needs to be curated so that some things which are really important get done and said exactly the way they should be done and said. And when you do that, you can drive knowledge across the organization, not just in customer engagement. You start with customer engagement, but then you can roll out the same knowledge out to the rest of your organization, and it's extremely valuable. Customers have their own questions. If you start with those questions and then try to understand what answers are needed, you get to a much better place much quicker. And this enterprise brain can capture those popular questions and ensure that the answers are being served consistently and personalized through all the touch points. And then finally, you want to do this in an agile, iterative way. You don't want to boil the ocean, because if you try to do everything together, nothing gets done.